Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering what you need: the device, the passcode, and admin rights. Once ready, open Settings and go straight to Screen Time or the equivalent controls. Do not wander through menus. You need immediate access to Downtime settings. Tap it and be prepared to authenticate with a passcode or your account. This step removes friction and prevents accidental lockouts. Make sure to note any current schedules so you can restore them later if desired. Now disable Downtime itself by toggling the setting off or deleting its schedules. This is the decisive action that restores access. Once done, review the allowed apps and always allowed lists to ensure essential apps remain accessible. If screen time syncs via cloud services, make sure settings propagate to other devices. Open one synced device and confirm the toggle. If parental controls exist, you may need to change parent account settings. Proceed only with proper authorization to avoid conflicts. Finish by restarting the device so changes apply cleanly. This clears temporary enforcement states. After reboot, test access to previously blocked apps. If restrictions persist, check whether a screen time passcode or management profile is still active. You may need to sign into the managing account to remove it. If you cannot remove the passcode, use account recovery or contact the administrator. One key troubleshooting tip: if a profile blocks changes,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.